Hi, this is Michael Beach with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting with another one of our dynamite videos on the exciting career of sales. Gave you some ideas in our last video. Here's a few more. One of the things that you're going to need to do if you're going to become a high-performing sales rep is you're going to need to learn how to network. That means going to meetings, that means passing out your business cards, and that means learning how to master the arts of making small talk and inviting yourself into some conversations if you need to, and asking the people that you're networking with an awful lot of questions, first and foremost, so that you can figure out how you can help them. Hang on a minute, you're saying to yourself, why am I going to a networking meeting where I'm trying to get, some new prospects for myself and I'm trying to help everyone else? Well, you want to get reciprocity working for you. Trust me, if you go to a meeting and the first thing you do is start adding value for other people, you're going to make a great first impression with them, and they're going to want to spend some time with you, and they're going to certainly want to return the favor. So you introduce them to a couple of your contacts, that turns into some business for them. Gosh, what I've noticed about human beings is they're going to want to return the favor for you. So a week or two later, your telephone is going to ring or your email inbox is going to ding, and you're going to notice that that person you gave a referral to is now returning the favor and you've got a new prospect. That's our story today. I hope you find that tip helpful to you in your 2018 sales efforts. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting, where we help our clients to deliver ambitious results. See you next time.